In this video, I will show you how to turn off Passkey on WhatsApp backup. Let me show you how. First thing first, open up your WhatsApp. Go ahead and click on the dot from the top right here. Click on Settings. Click on Chats. Scroll down right here. Click on Chat Backup. Scroll down right here. Click on End-to-End Encrypted Backup. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on Turn Off right here. Turn off end-to-end encryption for your backup. Your end-to-end encryption backup will be replaced by a new backup that is not protected with end-to-end encryption. Go ahead and click on Turn Off right here. Your backup is no longer end-to-end encryption. Go ahead and click on Done. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial about WhatsApp settings like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.